Here at Platform 1, we are still super excited about receiving our STEM reviewed, our STEM authenticated, and STEM accredited badges. We are hard at work putting together the most complete esports program in the country to prepare students for this fast-growing industry. Part of what makes Platform 1 so special is the partnerships that have been formed throughout this process. We have introduced to you partners like Media Transformers, Learn to Esport, and Acer, so you'll want to check those out if you haven't already. But today, we want to tell you about another tremendous partner, and that is Panasonic. So why Panasonic? Panasonic is perhaps best known for their displays. From top-of-the-line projectors to vivid LED displays, they have been a trusted name in technology for many years. And while Platform 1 is thrilled to offer Panasonic's projectors and displays to our customers, we are partnered together to bring you so much more than that. Since its inception, Platform 1 has been looking for the right companies to join together in our mission. Companies that are not only technology leaders, but are also pushing the envelope to bring new technologies to the broadcast and esports arena. And Panasonic is doing just that. In looking for the right partners for broadcast, we were also looking for someone who had the right tools and vision to be incorporated into our curriculum. Being an industry leader in broadcast, Panasonic certainly brings so much to the table. All of their broadcast cameras, from PTZs to cinema cameras, are among the best on the market. And we are excited to have their new broadcast technology, Kairos, as part of Platform 1. Kairos is Panasonic's IT/IP platform that gives you unlimited control by fully utilizing the power and flexibility of its CPU and GPU, offering you unrestricted flexibility of inputs, outputs, and operation for a more efficient live workflow. This basically allows video over IP transmission and solves scalability and flexibility issues that traditional switchers cannot offer. But most importantly, Kairos is so powerful that it solves an important need that 2020 has brought us: the need for remote broadcasting. Panasonic is leading the charge in creating remote broadcasting technology that in turn can be used as remote learning opportunities for schools and universities. And Platform 1 is thrilled to be able to incorporate Kairos into our curriculum for remote learning. You can learn more about Platform 1, esports integration, and our amazing partners by visiting esportsintegration.com. And be sure to reach out to us to see how Platform 1 can benefit your school.